I'm excited because I've got, oh man, this bad boy is heavy. I don't know if y'all can see what that is. Turn it this way. It's a boosted board. It's a boosted board, man. Let me start off by saying this. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. Oh my God, this isn't, man, this is something that I have talked about, thought about, planned for, didn't plan for, or went out on a whim. And I went ahead and got this bad boy on a whim at Best Buy. This is the extended range Dual Plus. So when I put in quotes new model, Boosted finally came out with the extended range model end of 2017, I believe, early 2018. I know that people who have pre-ordered the extended range battery have been getting their extended range batteries, but Boosted is already selling the extended range battery with the board. Now, with that being said, guys, and I'll unbox this here in a second, so just bear with me. Boosted recently announced that they were coming out with a short board, S and X model. Only difference is color and range, 7 to or 14 miles a range. And then a newer long board as well, or 2 new long boards as well. Their difference really is color, the fact that it comes with the extended range battery, which this does, except it's not in the new board, if you will. And then they're also selling this guy right here. So for a lot of you people out there who don't care for any of the newer models, which has the same range, but a different kind of board feel, then this is on sale, I think, for $13.99 at Best Buy, maybe Boosted even in Amazon. So I'll link that in the description below to where you can find it on Amazon. Should be the same price as Best Buy, which you can then price match or just buy off of Amazon. I think Prime shipping on there. So I'm excited about this, man. I don't have no helmet, I don't have no knee pads. I've never ridden one of these before, and I don't normally unbox things of this size. I don't even know what would be the most appropriate way to unbox this, but you know, we'll get through this together. Is this even backwards, maybe? Maybe it's backwards. Yeah, it is backwards, guys. Oh, man. Okay, there we go. I am so excited. This is very big and pretty heavy. So I'm going to flip this around so you guys can see here. We've got the wheels. Probably shouldn't have done that. The battery. Says risk of death or serious injury. So we got to be careful when riding this, guys. I know it's cool to ride this, but what's even more cool is to be able to ride this in one piece. You know what I mean? This is not cool to ride and then you bust your face or break an arm, because then you can't ride it. And yeah, people got to be careful. I will not be turning this on while we're doing this video. Because I'm not going to ride it until I've got all my equipment around. So yeah, this is heavy. This, I can automatically see why people would be excited about these smaller models. Do that. So I'm assuming this has got to be the accessories. Yep. So we've got the remote control. This is the first time that I've held this remote control. Super light, actually, on the remote control. I'm not even going to really go over how this works. I do know that this little wheel up top here lets you accelerate and go in reverse, I believe. And I believe the trigger is kind of like a dead man switch. Also works as regenerative braking. At the bottom here, you have a little hole to put a strap in. And then it charges via micro USB right there. It does come with a quick start guide, which I recommend everybody taking a look, reading. It'll teach you how to charge it and basically how to use it. If you remove that, we've got a fairly decent length micro USB cable. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure the quick start guide talks about it. And I'm assuming this is some sort of, I don't know what this is. So these are tools needed, maybe to replace wheels and this or that. And I apologize once again, guys, that I'm not familiar with the terminology because I am extremely new to this. This seems to be your wall charger. This seems to be your power brick to charge. This seems to be what you would hook up to your controller as a lanyard type thing, little strap. And then underneath we've got more of whatever this is. And then finally we have some boosted stickers and something that says reserve an extended range battery, which goes 12 miles, but this already comes with the extended range battery. So this, so there you have it, guys. That's an unboxing. I apologize if it's not your typical, more smoothly played out unboxing. I just generally did not know how this is packed. I didn't know how heavy this was until you really feel it. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm excited. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to try out within reason, because I'm not trying to bust my butt. And hit that subscribe button because I'll definitely be doing some sort of review on this from a beginner perspective. For anyone out there who has never ridden one of these but is excited to ride one of these, is considering riding one of these, this is not a toy. This can go up to 22 miles per hour. This is no joke. But I am excited to use this as just a casual commute around my neighborhood and to my friend's house and things like that. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And like always, the most important thing is to stay geeky. Peace, salute, and adios.